Almost 85% of car owners drive around every single day without knowing their car is hiding tricks that could save them real money. I'm talking hundreds of dollars. One of these hacks can save you from a $3,000 mistake, and another one could get you out of a seriously bad day with a dead key fob. Your car already has everything you need. You just don't know where to look yet. Here are 17 genius car hacks you 100% need to know. Let's begin now with hack number 17. Hack number 17, the fuel gauge arrow. You pull into a gas station driving a rental or your spouse's car, and you have no idea which side the fuel door is on, so you crane your neck out the window like an idiot. But here's what they don't tell you. Look at your fuel gauge right now. There's a tiny arrow next to the little gas pump icon. That arrow points to the side your fuel door is on. It works on most modern vehicles, and it's been there the whole time. Hack number 16, pin windshield washer nozzle adjustment. Your washer fluid is spraying over the roof or dribbling onto the hood and missing the glass completely. Here's the fix. Grab a sewing pin or a paperclip, stick it gently into the nozzle, and tilt it a few degrees toward the middle of the windshield. Takes about 10 seconds. Costs nothing. Here's the kicker. Aim it slightly low, because at highway speed, the airflow pushes the spray upward. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save your life. Hack number 15, the quarter tread test. Worn tires don't look worn until they fail in the rain. Here's how it actually works. Take a quarter, stick it upside down into your tire tread. If you can see the top of Washington's head, your tread is below 4/32 of an inch, and wet stopping distance climbs fast. New tires run $400 to $800 a set, but a blowout at 70 miles per hour costs way more. Check all 4 tires because they wear unevenly. Hack number 14, the pool noodle door guard. You've got a tight garage and a fresh door ding every month. Cut a pool noodle in half lengthwise and screw or glue it to the wall at door height. Total cost under $5. Body shops charge $75 to $150 per ding to fix. Trust me, your future self will thank you. You'd be very much surprised by this next one. Hack number 13, cupcake liner cup holders. Your cup holders are a sticky graveyard of old coffee and crumbs, and they're nearly impossible to clean. Drop silicone cupcake liners inside them. When they get gross, pull them out, rinse, done. A 6-pack costs less than $10. Here's what makes this even better. They stop that rattling noise from loose change and keys too. Hack number 12, toothpaste headlight restoration. Your headlights look foggy and yellow, and night driving feels like squinting through wax paper. Before you spend $100 to $250 on professional restoration, grab plain white toothpaste, the kind with mild grit. Rub it on with a cloth in circles for about 5 minutes per light, rinse, and the haze clears right up. It works because the gentle abrasive sands off the oxidized layer. It won't last forever, but it buys you a year or more. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Hack number 11, kitty litter traction. You're stuck in snow or ice, wheels spinning, going nowhere. Keep a bag of cheap clay kitty litter in your trunk, around $5. Pour a line of it in front of your drive tires, and the grit gives them something to bite into. And here's the kicker. The extra weight over the rear axle actually improves traction in a front-wheel drive car all winter long. Hack number 10, silicone spray on door seals. Ever had your car door freeze shut on a cold morning? In the fall, spray silicone lubricant on a rag and wipe down the rubber weather stripping around every door. Water can't stick to it, so ice can't glue your door shut. One can costs about $7 and lasts for years. Do the trunk seal too, because that's the one everyone forgets. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Hack number 9, hand sanitizer for a frozen lock. If your car still has a keyhole and it's frozen solid, don't force the key, because a snapped key means a locksmith bill of $100 or more. Squirt a little alcohol-based hand sanitizer onto the key and work it in gently. The alcohol melts the ice in under a minute. It lowers the freezing point the same way de-icer spray does, and you probably have a bottle in your cup holder right now. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. Now, for a secret car feature that'll save you from a massive repair bill. Hack number 8, clear nail polish on a windshield chip. A tiny rock chip looks harmless, but temperature swings spread it into a full crack across your glass. Here's what they don't tell you. Dab clear nail polish into the chip as a temporary seal, then get it professionally repaired within a week or two. A chip repair costs $50 to $100. A full windshield replacement with camera recalibration on modern cars runs $1,000 to $3,000. That little bottle of polish is the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Hack number 7, hold unlock to drop the windows. Your car's been baking in a parking lot and it's 130 degrees inside. On many vehicles, from Hondas to BMWs, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for 3 to 5 seconds and all 4 windows roll down before you even reach the car. Hot air escapes fast, and your AC doesn't have to fight a furnace. Some cars need the feature switched on in the settings menu, so check your owner's manual. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick sounds like a joke, but it's backed by real physics. Hack number 6, key fob to chin. Your remote barely reaches across the parking lot and you can't find your car. Hold the fob under your chin, mouth slightly open, and press the button. Your head's fluids act like an antenna booster, and the range can jump by a car length or more. Engineers have tested this, and it genuinely works. Yes, you'll look silly. No, you won't care when you find your car. Hack number 5, the fast defog combo. Your windshield fogs up on a rainy morning, and wiping it with your sleeve makes it worse. Here's how it actually works. Crank the heat, turn on the air conditioning, aim it at the glass, and crack a window an inch. The AC dries the air while the heat warms the glass, and fog clears in under a minute instead of 10. Studies on cabin humidity back this up, and it works in almost every car made since the 90s. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth-busting button. Hack number 4, the recirculation button. That little button with the looping arrow does more than you think. In summer, press it after the car cools down so your AC chills already cool cabin air instead of hot outside air, which saves fuel and cools faster. But in winter or rain, turn it off because recirculating humid air fogs your windows. Same button, opposite rules by season. Almost nobody uses it right. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Hack number 3, the sun visor side flip. Sun blasting through the driver's side window and your visor's useless against it? Most visors unclip from the inner mount and swing around to cover the side window. It's been in your car since day 1 and nobody told you. Suddenly, your morning commute stops being a staring contest with the sun. Hack number 2, the hidden key blade. Your key fob battery dies and the doors won't unlock. Look closely at your fob. There's a small release button or slider that pops out a physical metal key blade hidden inside. Nearly every modern fob has one. The driver's door keyhole is often hiding under a small cap on the handle. Knowing this turns a panic moment into a 10-second fix. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier, here's the biggest one on the list. Hack number 1, the dead fob start trick. Your fob is completely dead, you got in with the hidden key, and now the push-button start does nothing. Don't call a tow truck. That's $150 to $250 gone. Take the dead fob and press it directly against the start button, then push the button with the fob itself. Your car reads the chip inside at close range, even with zero battery, and the engine fires right up. Toyota, Honda, Ford, most brands build this backup in. Then swing by any grocery store and grab a CR2032 battery for about $3. So, which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments and be honest about it. If even one of these hacks saves you a repair bill, hit subscribe, because next week I'm covering the car maintenance myths that mechanics wish you'd stop believing, and number 4 on that list is costing people thousands every year.